The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
It's mental gymnastics in a way that one could never possibly guess when you leave the house in the morning. Valerie Raley, Branch Librarian.
My name is Michael R. Smith, and I'm the Deputy Circuit Librarian.
My name is Claude Hayes. I'm a library technician.
Carolyn Tanen, I'm the Librarian archivist.
Mark Schwartz, Computer Assisted Legal Research Coordinator.
Amy Hale-Janicki, Law Librarian.
More on evidence, and this is the new report.
My daily duties include doing research for judges, law clerks, and staff attorneys.
Developing and promoting library services and products.
I provide Westlaw and Lexis passwords, and if there's any problems with their Westlaw and Lexis research, they call me and I help them out.
I can research how a bill became a law, and then I can go backwards and find out the particular pieces of the legislative history for that process.
I do reference work, but I also manage a budget. I do human resources work.
My average day is always different when I walk in the office because we never know what to expect regarding the caseload of a judge or the law clerks or what they need.
The mission of our library is to serve the judges, law clerks, and staff attorneys by giving them all the information they need in order to do their jobs.
The court staff needs to have accurate information that's authoritative.
It's exciting when you see that the research you may have handed to a law clerk or a judge is now being cited in a court opinion.
All rise.
The court is doing something important for the country, and it makes you feel good as being part of it.
It's a very rewarding and challenging career.
So if we want to look it up, in 1982,
This job requires very good management in terms of written ability. It requires good communication skills.
I started here in college as a part-time library technician, and I decided I liked working here, so I stayed.
I had worked in an academic library before, and I felt like I wanted to be part of not the theoretical study or the academic world, but the real world.
I also like to mention that I'm grateful for the accommodation that the court provided me due to my hearing disability. It's been invaluable.
I like working for a federal court library because I like the intellectual challenges.
It is fascinating to not be able to know what question will be presented, and it's even more fascinating to determine what strategy you're going to come up with to meet that end.
Technology is always changing, whether it was microfiche coming out 30 years ago, or computers, or Lexis, or Westlaw. You have to keep up with the changes in technology, and that's what makes these jobs pretty exciting.
Let's call Congress.
Working for the judges is a very interesting thing. It can be very challenging at times, but it's interesting.
The rewards of working with people who are not only bright, but temperate and personable, that set a model of standard and quality and leadership through service.
I've been given many opportunities to get involved through many training programs.
They offer opportunities that not only help me with my court job, but help me in real life.
It's in the Louisiana Civil Law Treatise on Insurance Law.
As a federal court librarian, what I think I love most is helping the variety of people that we help on a daily basis.
As long as I can help someone and get their job done, I feel very proud about that.
I love my work. I am probably the drum major at the Geek Parade for librarianship, and I absolutely feel that it's serving.
I love being a law librarian.
Working as a librarian is a wonderful job.
That's really it. And if you want to put it in a nutshell, it's a good place to work.